A sailing vessel underway shall exhibit sidelights, a sternlight. In a sailing vessel of less than 20 metres in length, the lights prescribed in paragraph A of this rule may be combined in one lantern carried at or near the top of the mast where it can best be seen. A sailing vessel underway may, in addition to the lights prescribed in paragraph A of this rule, exhibit at or near the top of the mast where they can best be seen 2 all-round lights in a vertical line, the upper being red, the lower green, but these lights shall not be exhibited in conjunction with the combined lantern permitted by paragraph B of this rule. So that means that a smaller sailing vessel that has combined at the top of the mast those 3 lights, they are not allowed to show the all-round red and green. Only sailing vessels which have separate stern and side lights are permitted to show those all-round masthead lights. A sailing vessel of less than 7 metres in length shall, if practicable, exhibit the lights prescribed in paragraph A or B of this rule, but if she does not, she shall have ready at hand an electric torch or lighted lantern showing a white light which shall be exhibited in sufficient time to prevent collision. A vessel under oars may exhibit the lights prescribed in this rule for sailing vessels, but if she does not, she shall have ready at hand an electric torch or lighted lantern showing a white light which shall be exhibited in sufficient time to prevent collision. A vessel proceeding under sail when also being propelled by machinery shall exhibit forward where it can best be seen a conical shape apex downwards. That's important during the day because the distinction is once the vessel is being propelled by their machinery, they're a power-driven vessel. They're no longer a sailing vessel, which means they would have to obey the collision regulations as power-driven vessels. So overtaking rules apply anyway, but head-on situations and crossing situations apply. They would have to give way to all other sailing vessels under Rule 12.